Hello Webflow community, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about typing text animation in Webflow without any external code, just like you are seeing on the screen. So let's start the video. So let's see what elements we need to add first. So here is a generic container and I am pressing Ctrl E and adding a div block. Enter. And inside that div block I am adding another div block. Enter. Inside this div block we are going to add text blocks for the letters that we want to, the text we want to display. So I am just adding 2 text blocks. You can add as many as you want as per your need. Giving them a class, preferably same as the text that we are going to add inside it. So I'm going to just type sleek block. Enter. And here say fast. And give this div block a class of wrapper, actually typing wrapper. Okay, this one just flex. We are going to now do the settings for these blocks. So for the wrapper here we just select it and keep the overflow hidden, then select whatever font you want, whatever typeface, etc. I'm just giving random values. Keep the height in %, and color I'm gonna do black. After that we need to add border, so right border that will be, and the size will be 3 or 2 pixel. We are going to make it blink like a cursor, so that's why we are giving it 3 pixel. And after that this height should be in M, 1.3 M. Now comes the other div block, that is flex. We are going to give the display flex. Keep it as it is, axis left and stretch. Now give the height 100%. Also width and height same. And make the overflow hidden as well. Now for the text blocks, add the text inside them. Just select it, add whatever text you want, and then next text block. After that we are going to play with the display property of this text block. We are just keep one as block and another is as none. We are going to add the cursor blink animation first. So select the typing text wrapper, go to interactions, element trigger, select scroll into view, then when scrolled into view, action, start an animation. I've already created many times, but I'll create once again. So new timed animation, let's just name it blink 2. Now add border color as an action and duplicate it. After that go to first one and set the delay as 0.5 second and duration will be 0 for both of them. Now we are going to give black color to one action and keeping another one transparent. By the way, if your Webflow isn't showing this option, then you might try to zoom in or zoom out, because it's just work like that for now. And then after this we are going to save and select loop and then preview it. So our cursor is blinking perfectly. Now the other part. For the other text animation, select the same wrapper and in interaction just add another one, same option, scroll into view and select the same thing, start an animation. I'm going to create a new one again and name it text animation, let's say 6, because I've tried it many times, trial and error, that's why. So select the action. We are going to use two types of actions in this animation. One is size animation and another one is hide and show. So first we'll select hide and show and keep the delay for testing purpose, keep the delay 1 second and duplicate it. We need this if you have 2 text blocks, we need 4 of these type of actions. Simply double the number of text blocks. If you have more, then you need to do the math. And for the first 2 actions, change the target to first of the text block. Do the same for the second one also. And for last 2 actions, change the target as second text block. So in this way we have 2 actions for each text block. So go to the first and now for the first action select it and keep the block display, and delay should be 1 second. And for the another one, keep the display as none. Same for the second text block. First one is block display, then the second one is none. After that, save it and just preview it. So it should work like this, that alternatively both the text should be visible. If that's happening, then our animation is good to go. Next thing is go there again, and now we are going to add another type of actions, that is size action, and the target for this action will be the wrapper itself. So add this, move it to the top, so for the first action, keep the delay as 0, keep the duration also 0, and for the width, first select M and keep it 0.1, so that just our cursor should be visible and nothing else. Now we are going to add these size actions between the first text block, both the action of the first text block. So duplicate it and move it between these two, and number of these size actions will depend upon the number of letters in this text. So for the first, keep the delay as 1 second and adjust the width according to the letter width. It's just trial and error, so keep trying until the first letter is visible. You can play around with the values. After that, duplicate the action again, and for this time the delay will be 0.1 second, and again adjust the width. Now keep doing this. Now we don't need to change the delay, only the first action should have the delay of 1 second. After that, the delay should be the same, and just play around with the width. Again do the same. Make sure that no part of the next letter should be visible and the current letter should be completely visible, so that is your optimum width. Again add another action. Click. That's perfect. Now for the backspace animation, just add another action, duplicate this one, and now we are going to add delay of 2 seconds and duration of 0.5, and for the width just reduce it to the earlier, that is 0.1. So now the animation for your first word is done. Now for the second one, that is fast block. For that, go to the first action of the word and duplicate it because it has delay, and move it downwards between these two hide and show actions. So this will be the first letter of our second text block, but for that first save it, and we need to change the display property here, make it none, then select this one and display should be reset. Now we are going to go again to that animation only, select the appropriate one, click it. Now for the second word, do the same procedure, duplicate it, delay should be from now on 0.1 second, and adjust the width. You see, it's just trial and error, and find out the perfect width by doing that only. Duplicate. Now again adjust the width for next letter. Oh, it's too much. Next letter, no, it's too much. Perfect. Now for the last one, duplicate it again, and we are going to animate similar to the earlier animation, backspace animation. For this, delay would be of 2 seconds and duration will be 0.5. The width again 0.1. Don't forget to remove the delay from hide and show actions, make it 0 for all these actions. Now save the animation and preview it. So as you can see, the animation is working perfectly. Now we'll see it in combination with the blink animation. Go to the play button, and so as you can see, our animation is working perfectly and it is on the loop. If you see some irregularities, then you can just go back and adjust the width of this wrapper. So thank you guys, and hope you find it very helpful, and thank you. If you guys find it helpful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. Thank you.